Hi, and welcome back to the channel. I am Lina Hanson, and today we are going to be working on our smile lines. So if you have smile lines here and they are starting to get a little bit deeper, this is a wonderful routine to really just soften and smooth this whole area here. So let's get started. So we are going to get started with 2 face yoga exercises first, and then a little bit of a massage to kind of release the tension. So first we are going to puff out our cheeks, and it looks like this. And I like to put my fingers on top of the lips here, because when I do it, I start getting these lines here on the lips, and we don't want that in face yoga. So we want to put our fingers here, puff out our cheeks, and then we're going to start tapping all the way from the upper here all the way down, and especially where those smile lines are really deep. So this is what it looks like. Wonderful. We're going to do this again on the other side. Wonderful. That is really going to help smooth out the smile lines, lift and tone this whole cheek area here, because sometimes when we get sagging skin in this area, that's what creates these deeper lines here. So by really stimulating our cheek area, moving and releasing the tension and increasing that blood circulation, that is really going to help smooth out those lines and lift the skin here naturally. So the next exercise we're going to do is to take our fingers and we're going to grab a hold of our cheek area here. And you see how I'm trying to pinch here around the lip area, and we're going to move all the way out on this area right here. So I'm going to start by gently pinching and then wiggling a little bit here. So it looks like this. Grab a hold here, and this can be a little bit tender, so just be gentle, because this is an area where there's a lot of tension here, and we are just really working the adhesions, really working the fascia to reduce some of that and really get a hold of here, releasing the tension, releasing the adhesions. So take your time here, really working on this entire area. And you can feel certain areas will have little knots. And those areas we want to work a little bit extra on, just to make sure we're releasing it. Wonderful. I'm going to go on the other side now. So again, you grab a hold and take your fingers here, gently pinch and start moving, gently wiggling. Oh my goodness, I have so much tension in this area. I can feel it now. I'm sure you can feel it as well, because if you have smile lines here, this is likely due to some of that tension in this area. So this is such a powerful technique just for smile lines here. So just gently moving this whole area here. Grab a hold from the bottom and then grabbing a hold from the top like this. Woo. Wonderful. So this is a technique that you can do a few times a week for sure. It's really about releasing that adhesions in the skin, underneath the skin, the fascia, because this is what contributes to the smile lines. Next, we're gonna just apply a little bit of face oil. I have some face oil on from before, but I'm applying a little bit more. So make sure you have a little bit of face oil on your skin. And I'm gonna just take my fingers and gently glide all the way out, moving upwards. So we are encouraging the skin, the muscles to move upwards and out. Wonderful. You can see here that this side of my face now is a little bit more lifted than this side. So we're gonna go here again now on this other side. Gliding our fingers all the way up and out. This is a beautiful routine that you can do in combination with other routines as well. Like if you're working on the eye area, on the jowls, on the turkey neck, there's so many things. So just working on one area can be great for one day, but you can also combine it with other exercises. Wonderful. To end this routine, I'm just gonna do a little tapping here. It just releases the tension in the face more and just increases that blood circulation, really waking up this entire area here. Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this routine. Remember, consistency is key. So by doing this a few times a week, you are going to start noticing a difference in your skin. Your smile lines are going to get smoother. And yeah, this is such a simple routine that you can do regularly. So come back to this video anytime you need, and go check out my other videos as well on different face yoga exercises. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.